Hi everyone, I welcome the new subscribers to my channel. I hope you will find the tutorials on my channel useful in learning the German A1 course. All the tutorials starting from tutorial 1 till this tutorial I have put in a certain order, including all the aspects of vocabulary, grammar, listening, and the writing parts that are needed at the A1 German language level, and I'm still covering all the aspects at the A1 level in my tutorials. Now, how was the last tutorial part in which I introduced to you the new category of prepositions in the German language, which are called the two-way prepositions or Wechselpräpositionen in German. Now in this tutorial part, I will continue with some more of these prepositions and show you how they can come with the German accusative and the dative grammar cases. So before watching this tutorial part also, please do check my tutorials 14 on the German grammar cases, tutorial 23 in which I make use of the preposition in that I mentioned in my previous tutorial part also, but I have covered it in tutorial 23 also, showing how that preposition is used with the accusative German case to show movement of a person or a thing. Then also do check my tutorial 35 in which I revised two of the German grammar cases, the nominative and the accusative case, and in which I introduced the dative case. So let's have a look at the rest of these two-way prepositions, which are called like this because they can come with the accusative case to show movement of something or someone from one place to another, and they can come with the dative case not to show movement but to show location of something or someone in or at a particular place. So moving on, vor, before, hinter, behind, neben, next to or beside, and zwischen, between, can be used in both the dative and the accusative cases. So let's look at the examples. Das Auto steht vor der Bibliothek. The library is die Bibliothek, and the fact that the car is parked or it is positioned before the library shows the dative case. So stehen not only means a sense of standing but also in the sense of being present or being positioned somewhere. Now, if this preposition is used with the accusative case, it will be like this. From the picture, there is a bus that is turning into one street, but before that the bus was driving on the street which is in front of the church. So der Bus fährt vor die Kirche. The church has the article die, and in the accusative case it remains like this. So in this picture, this is the bus that I mentioned in the example, and this is the church. So it turned from this street and is going to drive in this street. Der Basketballplatz ist hinter der Schule. The basketball court is situated or is present behind the school. So it is die Schule, but after the preposition hinter, showing the dative case here, die changes to der. But if I want to show the preposition hinter with the accusative case, for example, ich laufe hinter die Schule. Now, what I have shown here is not in the picture, but imagine that I am running behind the school. So, laufen, as I mentioned a bit earlier, means to run, and it shows movement. So if I'm running behind the school, the article after this preposition will remain as it is in the accusative case here. Die Bank ist neben der Bibliothek. The bank is next to the library. So it is situated or located next to the library. Now from this picture, I will show you a sentence using neben in the accusative case. The boy is riding the bicycle next to the school in the picture, which in German will be der Junge fährt neben die Schule Fahrrad. Fahrrad fahren is to ride the bicycle. So after the preposition neben, the article of the school will remain die, and this will show movement because the boy is riding the bicycle. Der Baum ist zwischen der Bank und der Bibliothek. This tree here is between the bank and the library. So it is located here. Dative case will change the articles of both bank and library from die to der. Now, using zwischen with the accusative case, a sentence showing this man driving the motorcycle will be der Mann fährt zwischen das Haus und das Restaurant sein Motorrad. The man is driving his motorcycle between the house and the restaurant. After the preposition zwischen, the articles of house and restaurant remain as they are, das and das. So this is the house, for example, and this is the restaurant, and the man is driving his motorcycle between them. And last of all, we have über, unter, above, under. So let's take the example from the picture of a bridge, which is die Brücke. There are many cars above the bridge. There is a fixed expression in German, es gibt. And by fixed expression, I mean that neither the word es nor the word gibt change in their forms when these two words appear as the fixed expression. Es gibt can have two meanings. There is one meaning and there are. So it can be used for singular and plural nouns. Es gibt viele Autos über der Brücke. There are many cars above the bridge. Using über with the accusative case, viele Autos fahren über die Brücke. Many cars are driving above the bridge. Driving will show the movement of the cars. So in the first example, I meant to say that generally there are cars over the bridge. So they can be in a traffic jam, but when they are moving or when they are driving, then after the preposition über, the article of the bridge will remain die. Es gibt ein Boot unter der Brücke. There is a boat under the bridge. So again, assuming that the boat is not moving, it is still, then it shows the dative case that the boat is present under the bridge. The D article has changed to der. But if we want to show that the boat is moving under the bridge, das Boot fährt unter die Brücke. The boat is sailing or it's driving under the bridge. This time, because there is movement, so after the preposition, the article will remain D. So that was all for today. Any questions related to this whole tutorial, you can ask in the comments section. I hope you like my videos and do continue watching the tutorials. Also, do not forget to subscribe to German Tutorials for Beginners and share this channel's name, link, and my username German by Rabia with your friends. Thank you.